you like it if both our names had Jackson on the ends. Snaggy fingers, please stay. You can do it all by yourself. And shifted higher than the ceiling, and worry is the ultimate feeling.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a get ready with me. We're going to transform from 0 to 100 really quick. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. As always, my social media links are down below for you guys. Be sure to check that out. If you guys want to see how I got this look as well as the products that I use, then just keep watching.
Love was changing the minds, pretenders, while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away.
For today's video, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you guys are new here, I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know why I'm moving like this, but bye guys.